To connect Xiaomi Smart Camera C100 into your iPhone, first of all you have to open App Store, search for Xiaomi Home application and simply download this application. Now when it is downloading, you will have to open Settings, go for the Bluetooth and simply make sure that you turn it on. And next, go for Wi-Fi connection and you have to connect into the 2.4 frequency Wi-Fi network. So this is very important because if you connect to the 5 frequency Wi-Fi network, then you will be not able to connect this camera into your phone because it's not support 5 frequency networks. It's very important. So now when you switch into the proper Wi-Fi network, you will have to go for that Xiaomi Home application. And now you can just start turning on your camera by simply plugging in the USB-C cable into the power supply and your camera. Now, when you open the Xiaomi Home application, by the way, if you hear that, it means that the camera is in the pairing mode. Now we can just log into the Xiaomi account. You can use email, password, but also you can find some other options. You can log in by using Facebook, Google, or Apple account. You can also create account if you don't have one, or for example, you can sign in with your phone number. So now I just have to input my verification code that I have received on my Xiaomi account email. So we have to input it, click submit. You can accept all of those permissions, but you don't have to actually enroll in the user experience program. So in my case, I'm going to click cancel. And now, as you can see, we have to click on the plus in the right upper corner, but in the most cases, as I said before, you should get this automatic connection. When you hear that voices, it means that everything is fine. So let's click here, let's click OK for a connection and accept all of those permissions, the necessary permissions. And now you have to just input a password into your Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected. Click to agree to user agreement, click next, and you have to keep your phone, your iPhone, close into your Xiaomi device. Sometimes you will also get this QR code scan, so you have to rotate, scan this to confirm, and just wait for connection. After this screen disappears, you can just set this up step by step. As you can see, the connection is quite simple. Now all we have to do is just to set a room. We can create a new if you want. Now we have to click next and we can change name of this camera. Click next, and we don't need to share this right now with someone. And as you can see, after a few moments, we are just successfully connected. So thanks for watching.